gosh. That tastes really similar to a Coke. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jen Blaze and I am reviewing the Morphe Coca-Cola collection. I have the entire collection, which includes a brush set, a sponge set, a little lip kit, 3 highlighters, and then this beautiful palette here. Here's the palette. So versatile and dynamic. I've never seen a palette that looks anything like this. I wasn't surprised about the quality of the products because it's Morphe and I've had always had a good experience with Morphe stuff, so this was just icing on the cake when they did a Coca-Cola collection. But please keep watching if you want to see how to do this neutral eye look with the Morphe Coca-Cola collection. This was not sponsored or paid for in any way. I bought this whole collection with my own money, and I bought the Coke Energy with my own money. I just thought it'd be fun to try it out on camera, but it's really good. But I'm actually gonna start off with taping my eyes up because I want a really sharp edge. They end about the same. I can feel it, so that's how I know that they're even. And then I'm mostly just pressing along the corner that will be closest to the shadow. Here's the Coca-Cola palette. It looks great. I'm gonna keep the film handy because it has all of the shade names on it. But I'm doing a neutral eye look today with a little pop of red, so I'm gonna start in with this bottom right, really like a hot chocolate kind of brown, and it is called Refreshing. And I'm starting off with the Morphe E18 brush. Oh, super intense pigment immediately. I think I'm gonna blend it out now with this kind of taupey, almost terracotta kind of brown, and the shade name is Name Drop. And I'm going in with this brush from the Morphe Coca-Cola collection. Doesn't have a name, but it's just a small tapered blending brush. And I'm putting that right next to Refreshing. Beautiful blend. I'm really happy with the way this is turning out so far, though I've never been disappointed in a Morphe product. Now I'm gonna go in with this very fair nude shade. Oh my gosh, I dipped my brush in. The very fair nude shade. It is called Recognized, and I'm gonna put that right above Name Drop with this BH brush. It says number 6. I don't remember which collection I got it from. I'm going back in with Name Drop and that Coca-Cola brush just to like brighten up that color a little bit because I diffused it a little too much with Recognized. Looking good so far. I'm going to cut the crease now. Cutting it with the ABH eye primer. It's my go-to eye primer by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I say ABH a lot just out of habit, but the brand is Anastasia Beverly Hills. Just dotting a little bit on my hand and then going in with a small flat brush to cut the crease. I'm gonna go back in with Refreshing and blend the 2 colors together. I also dragged this crease up a little too high, so I'm going to take this small flat brush from the Morphe Coca-Cola collection and Refreshing. Just make the creases even. That's much better. Cool. Going back in with the E18 and Refreshing. Cute so far. I'm gonna try this kind of a more chocolate brown. It's like milk chocolate, and it is called All the Feels. And I'm going to be using this fluffy packing brush from the Coke collection on the cut part of my crease right next to Refreshing. Oh, so pigmented. Love it. Looking good so far. Going to go back in with Name Drop and that small blending brush from the Coke collection. Put it right next to all the feels. These are blending together like a dream. Now I'm going to take this more tan nude shade called The Real Thing and put it right here with this BH Cosmetics brush number 8. And last but not least, I'm taking this off-white kind of shade, I'm taking this off-white kind of shade called Bubble Up, and I'm gonna blend this area all together with a Morphe 506. Not quite the level of blended that I wanted, so I'm gonna go back with Recognized and fade that inner corner just a little bit. I really want to use these reds. I think I'm going to use them on the under eye because this red especially, it's called Good in Red. It's such a unique red. I've never seen anything like it. It's a deep, cool toned red and it's got blue reflections in it, blue sparkles, but it's not a sparkle or a satin kind of shade. It's a matte, but it does have small bluish purple reflections in it. I've never seen anything like it. I really like it. So I'm going to take the tape off. For that sharp edge. Beautiful. And now I'm going to apply my face products with the Morphe Coca-Cola sponges. Here we go. Face is done. So now I'm going to go back in with the Morphe palette. And I'm going to put this metallic kind of bronzy color called Awaken. I'm going to put it a little bit right here. I'm using this unnamed Cala Brush that I got from TJ Maxx. It's just a small, kind of fluffy packing brush. Yes, that gave me what I wanted. And I'm just going to go for gold. I'm going to put this kind of pretty, got like a green offset to it, but it's like a whiter highlight. I'm going to put that in the inner corner with this BH Cosmetics brush number 12. And this one is called Fizz. Wow, this is a really pretty inner corner highlight. I'm also going to put it right on the brow bone. Looking good so far. Now it's time for the red. I'm going to put a little bit underneath, but I'm going to fill it out with the dark brown Refreshing shade. So I'm going to put a little bit of dark brown shade Refreshing right underneath using this Morphe M152. Now using a Morphe E36, I'm going to take this unique red called Good in Red, and I'm going to put it right next to Refreshing. Those are looking good, a nice pop of red. So now I'm going to blend it all out with Recognized. I really want to use that sparkly red, so I'm going to dip into it with this Morphe 508, and the sparkly red is called Pop Culture. I'm gonna add some liner and lashes, and I'll be right back. Lashes are on, liner is on, time for highlighter. The Coca-Cola collection comes with 3 different highlighters, and I haven't looked at any of them, so we're just going to open them up, try them out. I'm gonna start with the darkest one, and it's called Serve Sparkling. These are all loose highlighters, so I'm just gonna take a little bit on my finger. Watch it right here. Oh wow, that's a beautiful coppery color. Almost a little too dark for my skin, I think, but it's nonetheless a beautiful color. The next darkest is called Pop It. Really similar, but it's definitely gold instead of like copper. That looks so pretty. And the last shade, which is the lightest one, is called Bubbly Babe. And I love that shade name a lot. Oh, that's such a pretty white gold. That one's a lot more subtle. Oh, but on the fingers, I don't know if you'll pick it up. Bubbly Babe, Pop It, and Serve Sparkling. I think I'm gonna do Bubbly Babe on as my highlighter today using the Coca-Cola fan brush. Oh yes, this is the right choice. Oh yes, this is the right choice. Oh my god, I could drench my entire body in this highlighter. Whoa, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this color. Last is lips, and they have a little lip collection. They all look like glosses. Speak your mind with 4 super shiny, never sticky lippies that are always down for a little adventure. So because of this neutral look, I'm going to put on a nude lipstick and then probably put this white gloss over it. It says it's not a gloss, but it looks like a gloss. I'm gonna prime my lips with the Lime Crime Ghost Veil primer. I'm gonna put on this Beauty Bakery liquid lip in the shade Versailles. This white gold lip in the Coca-Cola kit is called Overflow, and it's got like it's kind of similar to the inner corner highlight that I use called Fizz, where it's got like a gold green shift to it. Oh my gosh, this definitely looks like gloss. Oh my gosh, that looks so cute. And this look is done. Here is my final look for the Coca-Cola X Morphe collection, and I really like how this look turned out. It's super cute. The palette is a must-have for sure. Like, such a unique color story. You can do so many things with it. You can do cool tone look, you can do reds, you can do neutrals. It's so versatile and I just love it a lot. I love the highlighters. The highlighters are all loose and they are super pigmented. I don't know if you can see that. And on the skin, actually used as a highlighter, they look so much better than just using a finger and dragging it on my arm. Brushes are good. Morphe brushes are my go-to, so all the brushes are a yes as well. And I've never had an issue with the sponges either. The lips, I used it as a gloss, but some of them are a little more pigmented, like this red and this pink. They're a little more solid, so I'll have to try those later out. Overall, I love this collection, and this is such a fun collection. I've never seen anything like this, but it's truly cute. I hope to see more food collaborations between brands. Thank you so much for watching. Please click that subscribe button down below and leave this video a like. Go ahead and check out my Instagram. The code for that, or the name is @JenBlaze. Also check out these lashes. They are so cute. They are the Halo Lashes by Lunar Angel Lashes. And I do have an affiliate code with them if you want to save some money on that. Use the code JenBlaze right here for 15% off, and you'll have a great selection of lashes. They keep adding new ones all the time. Thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoy, and stay blazed.